name's Kevin and I am the Bad Back Gardener. In this video we're going to do a quick spring tour and see what little bit I do have planted, see how it's doing, and just see what all is going on here in the yard here. So we'll get started with that. Okay, if you've seen the video or not, but I planted some peas and they are all popped up here. You can see them in the video there. I did pretty good. Got mostly all of them to come up. And then alongside of that, as I usually do, I planted the green onions, or they're white onions. So they're all planted along that side. And then again, over here, you can see them all coming up good. Okay, and then over here, we have some radishes growing in here, in this row here, and then in this row here. They all come up pretty good. Then in this next row here, we have turnips, another row of turnips, and some more turnips here. Then we have some lettuce in these two. This is one kind of lettuce. This was like a mix, leaf lettuce mix. And then on this side, this is a different kind of lettuce called deer tongue lettuce. So it came up pretty good too. So everything sprouted pretty good, which is always nice. And then over here, we'll take a look at the tomatoes, which you may have seen the video on of me planting, and they are doing pretty good. They survived all our cold snaps and bad nights, and I've had a heater in with them a few times, but they've been on their own here for a little bit, other than the covers. But they greened up, turned their dark green, so they've caught on. Now got some blossoms in there, and they're looking pretty good. The water teepees work really good for keeping them warm, and then the row cover on top of it just adds to it. But when I uncovered this, took the row cover off today, it was like 90 degrees in there. So you do have to watch. Sometimes you can possibly get it too hot, but it does breathe a little bit, the row cover, so that does help. But I uncovered a little bit here tonight just for the video. Now there, which I'm not even going to uncover, is the potatoes I planted. If you've seen that video, they are no way they're up yet, since I just planted them a little while ago. So they're not up. I do have all the beds pretty much prepped in the garden and ready to go. Most of them I put the black plastic down for now, and I will maybe take them off depending on what I plant. But I left a couple that have no plastic on them. It's just got the compost mixed in with them, and then those are the ones I probably won't cover at all. That I'll plant something that I don't use the black plastic for. I still have to till up the back area back there, where I will plant corn, and I'm not sure what else I'm going to plant there this year, but I'm going to plant some corn back there. Planted it there last year and it did really good. Got a lot of corn out of such a small patch. But, I was real happy with my corn production last year. Got some daffodils that grew up down here. Got some peonies and stuff that are coming up through. So they'll be blooming later on. Haven't really cleaned that area out, just had the daffodils come out. Cynthia bush up that way, if you can see that. These along here are all rows of Sharon bushes, except for there's a few lilacs that are mixed in here. I believe this is one of the lilacs, and it's got some green buds coming on it. in places. Hopefully that comes back pretty good. I still have yet to do my grasses yet, cut them down for the summer so they grow back. Spring's here, dandelion season. Kind of nice to see them after the winter we had, but I'm sure I'll get tired of them real quick. This is the neglected part of the garden so far this year. I haven't done anything with it or cleaned it out at all. Got a few things popping up here and there. A little bit of flowers coming. Hopefully it fills in better. We have some spring flowers here. Got some peonies coming up there in the middle. Okay, that's going to do it for our quick spring tour of the garden and yard. Not a whole lot going on. Got a few things popping out here, and got a few things planted in the garden that are coming on, but hopefully looks like we're in for a little spell of good spring weather, so hopefully we get some more stuff going and some more stuff popping out. So thanks for watching. You can catch up with me on Facebook. You can also email me at bbgardner@zoominternet.net. If you have any questions or comments, please subscribe to the channel. Always look forward to seeing new subscribers coming on. And if your back ain't hurting, you ain't working.